So as he was taking rest at the castle of Loyola, he asked that he should be given some books to read. So they gave him the life of Christ and the lives of saints. Those books touched him. He began to reflect. Saint Francis of Assisi has done great things for Jesus. Benedict has done, Dominic has done. What am I doing here? So he reflected and prayed. And then in the vision, Mother Mary appeared to him. Then it was clear to him that he should give up all these worldly things and follow Jesus. But he was not sure what to do. He thought of joining the Carthusian orders. But then he gave up that idea. So he said, let me go to Jerusalem. So he left Loyola and he started to walk, to go to Montserrat, another town. There he went. For the whole night, he stood as a guard in honor of Mother Mary. He kept his sword and other things there. Then he took an appointment with a priest for confession. And he himself says, he wrote down all his sins. It was a general confession. And it took him 3 days for his confession. He received communion, took part in the Mass. Then he goes to a shop, buys cloth, rough cloth, sackcloth, and orders the tailor to prepare for him a loose garb. Then he removes all his clothes and puts that garb, and his own clothes he gives to a beggar. The beggar was very happy to have such flashy clothes. But some people caught the beggar. He said, you have stolen this thing. How did you get this? So Ignatius has to interfere and tell that, no, he didn't steal. I had given him.